This technique using magnets and painter's tape to attach the idols will only work with lightweight idols. If you're using any heavyweight idols, this technique won't work. And this frame has been hanging on to my walls for almost 12 days now, and the idols are strongly connected to the wood frame with the help of the magnets. I am adding 3 layers of painter's tape. I have 2 magnets here. I'm going to attach one here and one here. Use some hot glue. Here I mark the wood base. Similarly, I'm going to add 3 layers of painter's tape. Here I'm going to add some hot glue. Now I'm attaching these magnets to this painter's tape. Gently press it down so that the magnets are attached to the painter's tape. Now if I want to remove the idol, I simply remove it. We have magnets here and we have magnets to the back side of the idol. If I want to place it, I'm going to just attach it and it's going to stay here.